Okay guys, stay tuned as I walk you step by step how I created this video, okay? Just with your smartphone and CapCut app. Let's dive into it. Guys, just shoot above the sky level and bring your camera down. Then you position your camera on the tripod. The next thing you are going to be doing is to walk into the scene. Look at what I am doing. The next thing is for you to bend down. All right, you can face your head to the ground. That is if you like. Then you stay like that for a few seconds or minutes. Then you can now stand up. You can decide to deliver speech like I did. You can decide to leave it like that. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, click on CapCut, okay? You click on new video. Import this your background to workspace, all right? Import it. As you import it, this is what we have. Then you are going to be coming back and click it and click on volume. Then you reduce it to 0 and mark on this good. Then you go back. Come to this part here, leave it here, locate freeze. Guys, we want to freeze it, okay? Then you freeze this part, okay? Click on this small part, then you delete it. Click on this one and drag it to a point. Then you come back now. Then you click on this arrow here. Look at the arrow there, mark on that arrow. So you click on that arrow, then you click on overlay. Click on overlay, add overlay. Import this your green screen version. Then you locate where you want it to start. From here we are going to be splitting it here, guys. So you make a split here, delete this first part, okay? Then you go to this side. Now we are going to be removing this unwanted part as well. Then you click it and make another split at this point. Make another split and delete that last part. Then click it now, guys. You go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it to green point. Then you can adjust intensity to 40. Come to shadow and make shadow 20, okay? Drag intensity, make it 40. Then you make shadow 20. After that, you mark on this good. Then you are going to be going back. This is what we have got. Click it again and locate adjust. Look for adjust, guys. Click on adjust. Look for HSL. Click on HSL. Mark on this green and reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on this good. Then you go back. This is what we have got. Click on it. Then you drag it to the beginning of the video. So at this point, we are going to be making the green screen to fit the screen. Just use your two thumbs, then you make it fit the screen, okay? Make it fit the screen. After that, now the next thing we are going to be doing now is to allow it play. Let us see what we have got. No, I don't like the landing. Click on that background and trim it a little bit. Let's watch it again. So at this point, this is exactly what we want. So you come back now, click on add overlay. Then you import this your second video to workspace. Locate where you want it to start from. From this point where your head is bended, click it and make a split. Delete this first part. Locate where you want the video to end, guys. After speaking, immediately you want to go out, click it and trim it. Click on the video and drag it to that green screen layer. Drag it to the green screen point. Make it align. After making it align, bring it on a little bit. You click this green screen and reduce the volume. After reducing it, you come back, click on this one now. Go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG. Click on auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have any magic effect you would like us to create together, guys, drop it at the comment section and make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will not be missing out on anything. All right, welcome back to this video. As is still removing, we are going to wait for it to remove completely. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good, then you go back. So this point, we are going to make our necessary adjustment. Look at it. So take time and do your necessary adjustment. Drag this character yourself to stay at the back of this vulture or eagle, whichever one you are using. So make your necessary adjustment, expound the vulture or the eagle, whichever one you are using. After expounding it, the next thing is to click it. After making your necessary adjustment, we are going to be adding some animations to it. So you click it and look for animation. Click on animation there. Click on out. Look at out there, guys. Click on fade out. Then you mark on this good, you go back. Look at what we have got. Good. This is nice. So at this point, we are going to be removing the unwanted part of the video. Okay, so we are going to be removing the unwanted part. So you can see this one, the background is too long. Click it and trim it. Then let's see what we have got after trimming it. No, click on the video and trim it to align with the background. So at this point, let us see what we have got. Now we are going to be playing this video from the beginning. Okay, remember to add your sound effects, your light effects. After adding your necessary effects, you can now export this video to your gallery. Okay, but as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. You can try this at the comfort of your home with your smartphone and CapCut app. After that, now you are going to be clicking on this export here. Click on export, guys. Then you allow it to export completely. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, guys. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates if you have not done that. If you have any magic effect you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Okay, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in our next video.